Have I ever had four?
Yeah.
I have. It's too long. Too long of a process to take it in, to put it in, too long of a process to take it out.
Oh, hi. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how I get my passion twist today. So I want to just make a note. I did not blow dry my hair for this style. Instead, I put it in 2 braids, and as you can see, she took it out and it was a little bit more stretched, and my stylist didn't mind. So sometimes I blow dry my hair, sometimes I don't, because I feel like I'm not really a heat person. So with this process, I felt like it was super simple, and if you want to do it at home, you can. I feel like this is one of those styles that if I still had time to do my own hair, I would have probably done it, but I think that I like her method and I like the way she did it, and it's very neat. So she used a rubber band, as you can see, and she crocheted the hair through the rubber band. I'm going to show you this a couple more times so that you can see the process and the structure. I already told you guys what hair I use. Everything will be listed in the description box just so you know. So first, she puts gel all around the hair, make sure that the hair is as smooth as possible, and then she combs it out with a small tooth comb. Funny enough, my natural hair did not break as she was doing this. And then she added the rubber band to it and made sure everything was smoothed out before crocheting the freetress water wave hair and then twisting it all the way down. Like I said, I really like her method. With this style, it took about 8 hours. Honestly, the only reason why it took that long is because I wanted them past waist length. I feel like if it wasn't past waist length, this style would have normally taken 4 hours. And actually, she told me it was going to take 4 hours because she didn't expect me to want them that long. But immediately she did one, I was like, I want it longer, so she kept adding more hair. You'll see at the end how long the hair was. I am 5'5", and I'm just giving you also a close-up of how to do this style. Pretty simple style. I think I'm going to wear this style for at least a month and a half or 2 months because right now I am in the motherhood phase and I need a style that's going to last me for quite some time because I can't be doing this every week or every other week like I used to do and change my hair up as much as I used to. So yeah, this style I feel like is going to really last really long. You're going to in the front, I told her to make them a little bit smaller. So as you can tell in the front, she's cutting them a little smaller. That was just my preference. Usually, the passion twist style is more chunky, but this is just something that I thought that I would do just because I wanted to try it out. I like the way she makes the hair. My hair is a ginger color and it's very hard to get that color accurately, but I like this color also, and my hair did not actually show through it, so it was perfect and I loved it. So she twists it all the way down and everything. Now when the hair is finished, she cuts off all the edges. She puts mousse on it. I think this also helps it hold really well. As you can tell, it's very, very neat. I wanted a middle part at first, but I ended up changing it to a side part. I ordered on Amazon some hair jewelry so you can tell the little rings in my hair. I'm still going to add more. It's just for now. I just wanted to put the rings in my hair. She sprays it, and as you can see, the length is past my waist. And yeah, so let's all go on to my makeup. Now, the reason why I do all these tutorials where it's like hair and makeup is because I feel like it's nice for you guys to see like the final look, like the final look with hair, with makeup, how I styled the hair. Now, honestly, this style that I'm wearing is pretty simple. I just put a headband in the front of my hair and then I packed the style up, just half of the hair. I didn't put the whole hair. In this tutorial, I'm using the Anastasia foundation. You can already tell what products I'm using. This foundation, I've actually really been liking it lately. I love the coverage. I like how it looks. It's very, very glowy. So I'm just in love. Anyway, so I'm not going to really talk through the whole makeup process. I feel like it's very self-explanatory, but if you have any questions about the makeup, let me know. This is my new process. I've tried to start doing contour before I start doing highlight. I've noticed that highlight blends better that way, and I really, really like that. So that's what I'm doing here. You can tell that I'm doing the contour first and then going in with the highlight. So that's really it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below. Would you try these twists? I really like them. I've been going for more of a bohemian vibe with my hair lately, so this style really just fits in, and I love the color. I love the blend and everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope I'm giving you summer vibes because she's back and she's glowing. Alright guys, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know down below, as always, what videos you want to see from me, and have a great week. Bye.